You just watched what AI video creation looks like in 2025. And it's all powered by VEO 3.1 from Higgsfield. If you're a creator, filmmaker, or storyteller, this update changes everything. Because VEO 3.1 doesn't just make videos. It makes them feel alive. It makes them sound real, look cinematic, and follow your prompts like a professional director who just gets your vision. From the Higgsfield home screen, you go to Video. And there it is, the Google VEO 3.1 model. It's still in early access, but trust me, it's coming soon for everyone. And when it does, it's going to change how creators tell stories forever. Because VEO 3.1 is built to give you sharper imagery with cinematic depth and natural color grading. Realistic motion that feels captured by a human cinematographer. Studio-grade sound that brings your scenes to life with atmosphere and space. And most importantly, prompt accuracy that feels like magic. You can now render up to 1080p and choose between 9:16 or 16:9 aspect ratios. Perfect for anything from cinematic YouTube trailers to mobile-first reels and shorts. That means your content doesn't just look better, it's ready to post anywhere instantly. Let's start with sound, because even the most stunning visuals fall flat if the audio feels off. VEO 3.1 introduces a completely re-engineered sound pipeline. The result? Studio-like clarity straight out of the render. No digital crackle, no robotic tone. Just clean, natural, human-like audio. Now watch this. I created 2 videos using the same prompt, one with VEO 3.0.
The sound quality of VEO 3.1 is amazing. Help!
And the other with VEO 3.1.
The quality of the sound from VEO 3.1 is really amazing. Help!
Can you spot the difference? VEO 3.1 doesn't just improve voice clarity, it enhances everything around it. The environmental audio, the emotional tone, even subtle reverb and echo sound, real. And that brings us to one of the biggest breakthroughs in VEO, 3.1. Structured prompt understanding. For the first time, you can describe multi-step actions, camera transitions, lighting changes, emotions, or even scene shifts. And VEO executes them perfectly in one continuous take. No hard cuts, no weird resets. Just smooth, cinematic storytelling. That's the power of better prompt control. The model doesn't just render what you describe. It interprets it, maintaining emotion, lighting, and realism from start to finish. It understands context. It understands pacing. It even understands when to pause or linger for dramatic effect. Check this example.
Contact! Contact! We're taking heavy fire!
A high-intensity action scene with emotional dialogue, rendered in one shot, both visually and sonically flawless. That's VEO 3.1, working like a real film director. And if that's not enough, here's where things get even crazier. VEO 3.1 now supports high-quality image-to-video generation. That means you can take a single still image of your character, and VEO will bring it to life with fluid, realistic motion. For this demo, I created the image using Higgsfield's Nano Banana feature, which lets you precisely craft and edit your visuals before animating them. Nano Banana gives you control over poses, lighting, and even facial subtleties, making your characters look exactly how you imagine them. Once the image is ready, VEO 3.1 takes it and breathes motion into it, from subtle blinks to full-body gestures.
If I told you that I am not real and made with VEO 3.1, do you still love me?
The result feels less like animation and more like cinematography. We're talking about expressive faces, natural hand movements, and even animals or objects that move with believable physics. It's wild how real it looks, to the point where even you might forget it's AI generated. As for visual quality, a VEO 3.1 renders crisp 720p and 1080p with richer color depth, sharper textures and lighting that responds naturally to the environment. Sunlight, shadows and reflections now behave exactly like they do in real cinematography. And for short-form creators, there's another major upgrade. VEO 3.1 now supports up to 2 scene cuts within an 8-second clip. That means you can make short, dynamic, cinematic videos with seamless transitions, perfect for ads, trailers, or creative edits. Instead of piecing clips together manually, VEO does it intelligently, following your story flow and emotional beats. That's efficiency and artistry combined. No plugins, no editing timeline, just your words, turned into cinematic motion. VEO 3.1 isn't just an update. It's a promise to creators. Cleaner audio, sharper imagery,
せっかく
smarter
悪いんだ
control.
よね照れないでよ
Finally
せ
delivered.
っかく悪いん
So
だ
if
よ
you want
ね
to see
照れない
what's
で
possible
よ
with VEO 3.1,
せっか
check
く
the link in the
悪いんだよね
description and
照
explore
れ
the
ないで
future
よ
of AI filmmaking for yourself. Because this isn't just about making videos. It's about redefining creativity in the age of AI. And if you'd like to stay ahead with the latest AI tools, tips, and creative tricks, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.